Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's me, your girl Catherine, and I am back with another DIY hairstyle. It's been such a long time, honestly, but I'm glad to be here, and I'll be showing you all how I made this beauty you're seeing right now. So if you're interested in seeing the process, everything I did, why not keep on watching? And with no further ado, let us dive right in. I washed and moisturized my hair the previous day, and I decided not to moisturize it again because it will just be too much. Yeah, so right now I'm brushing out my hair, and after that I will go ahead to tie it up with my scrunchies and then begin to start sectioning. For that, I'll pat out a straight line from my ear, from one ear to the other ear. This would be like a guide to how the rest of the pattern would turn out, and I'll just set that aside and move over to the back where I will start. Well, I'll just pat out a straight line to begin my braiding. Yeah, I will just cut out the section I need and braid out. For the size of the braiding, I am going for a medium sized braid because I counted the extension I'll be using, or I used and I just have to make sure that everything is equivalent, everything is going hand in hand, so that's what I'm doing here. I will cut out or pat out the section I need, then braid out. I'll keep on with this process. So let me just stop talking and allow you guys to see what I am doing for yourself. But hold up, before I do that, I want to point out that sectioning hair by yourself is not a joke. It's not easy, okay? This might look easy, you watching it from your phone right now or whatever, it might look easy, but I put it to you that it's this is like hours put into just sectioning and braiding. So when making your hair yourself, you don't have to make it look perfect, otherwise you're gonna spend hours upon hours on it, and you might not even achieve what you want at the end of the day. So just try your best, do what you can. Your lines don't have to be perfect. It took me lots of practice for me to get to this stage, okay? And again, I would love to add that when you're parting your hair, yeah, you pat out a line and your mind is telling you go again, like try to make it better, try to make it perfect. Please don't do that because you might end up ruining the line you already have. So let me just keep quiet and allow you guys to see what I'm doing. And yeah, so finally I'm at the front, which is a lot more easier than the back because I can see everything clearly now. So for this last part that I parted out now, if that makes sense, I will only be having a braiding. Okay, I didn't divide it into two or whatever, just like that. Oh my god, this my explanation sucks. So for this next one, I'll part into two and I will braid out. I think for the next line, which is the third line, I parted into two as well, and for the fourth line I parted into four. Then the fifth, which is what I'm currently working on, I parted or I sectioned into 4 or 5. I think 5. Okay, yeah, 5. I sectioned into 5. I did the same on the other side, and in total I have 10 lines at the front. Okay, and the total of the braid out I made on this hair is 73, which is more than my extension. My extension is 70 pieces, so I had to do something. So I went back off camera to rebraid some of the hair at the back. Like I had to section them, make them bigger so it can be 70 braids instead of the 73 that I achieved initially. Now it's time to get into the main deal. For that, I'll be using this Faux Locs by Freedom Braids collection. It is called Crochet Lock Plus if I'm not mistaken, but in case you can't get it around you, I will leave the link to my Amazon storefront in the description box so you can get it from Amazon. and I'll also be using Afro Kinky. You guys just saw it now. And yeah, as you guys can see, I already began the style, which is weird, but don't worry, I will try to explain when I can, because I really don't know how to go about with the explanation of what I'm doing now, but I'll try. Okay, let me just keep calm and you guys will watch this first part before I will chip in my explanation here and there. I'm gonna walk you guys through the next one, but first, these are the common words you'll be hearing me say a lot as I explain what I'm to do. I'll pass my crochet needle through the loop of the faux loc. Next, with the hook of the crochet needle, I'll pass the braids, the ends of my braids, through the faux loc. Next, I'll pass the crochet needle through the roots of my hair and put the ends of the braid through the roots, through the roots of the hair, making it look like this. And I'll go ahead to start wrapping it around with the Afro Kinky. I will wrap till I cover up the braid carefully. So I'm just going to continue with this process. I will repeat this whole thing that I explained now for the rest of the hair. So just keep on watching so you can understand me better in case you didn't get my explanation, because there's still a lot of things you need to see. So don't go nowhere, stay put, okay? So you guys, if you don't have patience, if you don't have time, please don't attempt this style. Or better still, you can get someone to braid your hair, section it, braid it out, and then you can, install the faux loc by yourself. This process that I'm doing now, you can just put the faux loc yourself, get someone to braid out your hair. I've done that on this channel before. I've gone to a salon where my hair was sectioned and braided, and I had to finish up the hair by installing the extension. So you can do that process, get someone to braid, section it out for you, just to save time. Like you guys saw that I'm no longer where I changed a position. I am now in the house, in the kids room for that matter, because it got really sunny outside. Sun was reflecting in the place I was before, so I had to go inside, and before you know it, it got dark while I was still making this hair. That's to tell you the amount of time I spent on it. But I'm not trying to discourage anyone. I'm just letting you all know this too, because I'm not gonna come on here to tell you that I spent 2 hours, 3 hours on this hair. No, I spent more than that. Okay, just prepare yourself, or better still, look for an easy way around it if you can. Just enjoy the music in the background and keep on watching. You guys see how I kept tilting my head to the side? I was actually catching up with a movie series on my laptop. I mean, what better way to get myself, engaged so I don't get bored, since I have been on this hair for hours, than catching up with a movie. So let me go ahead to show you guys the last one once again. I'll pass my braid through the loop of the faux loc, then pass my crochet needle through the roots of the braid, put the ends of the braid on the hook of the crochet needle, pass out the braid for a bit, and it will look like this. Next, I'll go ahead to start wrapping around with my Afro Kinky. You see, that's quite easy. I'll wrap evenly, making sure I am covering the whole braid without anything being visible. I'll wrap till I cover up, the whole braid, and voila. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys, look at your baby girl. Oh my goodness. So this was the next, sorry, this was not the next day, this was 2 days later, because apparently, of course, I finished up the hair on the same day I started, yeah, but it was late at night. I couldn't I just wanted to go to bed that night after I was done, and the next day I made up my face in the morning to review the hair. But guess what, sweat wiped off my makeup, like it messed up my makeup. And I went again in the evening. I said, now the sun is down, let's see. I did my makeup again, and the same thing happened, and I just had to forget everything about reviewing the hair on that day. So the next day, being 2 days later after making the hair, I had to do this. I have to review the hairstyle without makeup. So this hair you're seeing now is 2 days old. Okay, so tell me what you think. What do you feel about this hairstyle? Are you gonna make it? Are you gonna try it out? Let me know in the comment section. And if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please do that right now. This is a time for you to do that, okay? And see you in my next one. Bye bye.